Effortless summer makeup with some minimal products. Let's dive right in. I'm gonna use the new Covergirl TruBlend Sun and Sculpt Bronzing Glow Serum. I love how this product has two different ways to apply this. It has a pump, but you can also use the wand that is included. It's a hybrid kind of system. I'm just gonna pump some out on a little palette, and I'm gonna take this on a dual fiber brush, and I'm gonna do a light veil of this bronzer all over the perimeter of my face. This gives a natural bronzy veil all over the skin. I'm gonna take my concealer on a little brush, and this is about minimal coverage, so I'm just gonna take this on the under eyes. We're gonna take a little bit of setting powder and just set under the eyes so that product does not move. Let's bring some color to the face with the Covergirl TruBlend Skin Enhancer Blush Balm. This is in the shade Pink Sprinkle. That is a beautiful warm tone pink. I love that this blush leaves a beautiful glow to the skin. I do want a little bit of shimmer on the eyes, so we're gonna take the warm Enchantment palette from CXCBeauty and just taking this shade right here, which is Queen's Rose. It's a beautiful rose gold. I'm just gonna tap this on the lids and blend it up through the brow bone. Let's add a nice coat of mascara. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Body, and this is in brownish black. Let's use the Covergirl TruBlend Skin Enhancer. This adds an ethereal soft glow all over the skin. This adds a beautiful veil to the skin without being heavy, but blurs the skin, giving you that real life filter effect. Add your favorite summer gloss, and there you have an easy, effortless summer look using a few minimal products. Let me know what you think about this easy summer makeup in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.